In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format cells for cleaner data in Google Sheets step by step. Let's jump right in. Open your web browser and head over to Google Sheets. Once the page loads, look at the Start a New Spreadsheet area near the top of the screen. Click on Blank Spreadsheet to open a fresh, empty file. When the new spreadsheet appears, click on cell A1 in the upper left corner of the grid to make sure your cursor is in the right starting position. Now we'll add some sample order data so you can practice the formatting. Paste the sample order table directly into cell A1. Feel free to grab the table from the pinned comment below this video and copy it over. Once your data is in place, look at the top left corner of the screen where it says Untitled Spreadsheet. Click on that title to highlight it. Type a clear, descriptive file name that reflects what this sheet is about. Something like Order Tracker or Sales Records. Once you've finished typing the name, press Enter on your keyboard to save it. Next, let's make the header rows stand out so the column titles are easy to read. Click on cell A1 and drag across to cell F1, selecting the entire first row of headers. With those cells highlighted, click the bold button in the toolbar to make the text heavier. Now click the Fill Color icon in the toolbar, which looks like a small paint bucket. In the color panel that appears, choose a dark blue swatch to fill the background of those header cells. After that, click the Text Color icon in the toolbar. In the color panel, click the white swatch so the header text shows up clearly against the dark blue background. Now we'll format the dates and the money values so they look consistent. Click on cell A2 and drag down to cell A6 to select all the order dates in the first column. Go up to the top menu and click Format. In the drop-down that appears, hover your mouse over Number to open the submenu. From that submenu, click Date so all those cells display proper date formatting. Next, click on cell D2 and drag down to cell D6 to select the values in the Amount column. Click Format again in the top menu. Hover over Number once more. This time, click Currency in the submenu so all those values display with the $sign and 2 decimal places. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now we'll wrap the long notes and align everything neatly. Click on cell F1 and drag down to cell F6 to select the entire notes column. In the toolbar, click the text wrapping icon. In the small menu that pops up, click Wrap so any long notes will flow onto multiple lines inside the cell. Next, click on cell A1 and drag all the way across and down to cell F6, selecting the full table range. In the toolbar, click Horizontal Align. In the Alignment menu, click Center to center all the cell content horizontally. After that, click Vertical Align in the toolbar. In the menu that appears, click Middle so the content sits in the vertical center of each cell. Now let's finish the cleaner table by adding borders around every cell. Keep the full table range from A1 to F6 selected. In the toolbar, click the Borders icon, which looks like a small square divided into 4 parts. In the Borders menu that opens, click All Borders to apply lines around every cell in your selection. Once that's done, click on any empty cell below the table to clear the selection and see your finished work. Your sheet should now display a clean order table with a bold, dark blue header row, white header text, properly formatted dates, currency formatted amounts in the Amount column, wrapped text in the Notes column, centered content in every cell, and visible borders surrounding the entire table. The data itself hasn't changed at all, but the formatting makes it much easier to scan and understand at a glance. That's how you format cells for cleaner data in Google Sheets from start to finish.